Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Pero nakakapaglakad na siya. Normal na yung activities na ginagawa ni Jerica.
My daughter, my pretty daughter, Angel Sophia. And there's my pretty wife, Dory. And then my daughter. Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, their new Tamagotchi watch. She liked it very much.
I'll bring it to
Go
school.
raise her to your daddy. Huh?
Well, what if you want to give it to me?
I'm part of that. Okay. Look at Daddy and her pretty daughter.
Ito ba, Mami?
There's your mama. There's your mama. There's your mama. And you and me. Bye-bye na. Bye to my vlog.
Bye.
Hey, summary.